Good evening to Dr. Munir. We are required to design an electro-pneumatic system for drilling a hole in a workpiece. For further explanation, I will pass this presentation to Muhammad Lokman.
Basically, we use three double-acting cylinder, which is clamp, guard, and the drill. Besides, we also use the double rod type cylinder with the rod fixed at each end to control the movement of the workpiece fit to the drill. To control the movement of the clamp, guard, and the feeder, we use four two-way directional control valve with the solenoid extend and the spring return. For the drill, we use the sensor E, which is located at the fully extend guard for the extent of the four two-way directional control valve and the spring return.
Firstly, we have to clamp the workpiece, so we need to press the detent clamp or unclamp normally open detent switch, and it will close the electro-pneumatic circuit number 1 and then will activate the relay K1. Once the relay K1 is activated, the normally open switch K1 at electro-pneumatic circuit number 4 will close and will activate the solenoid M1. Once the solenoid M1 activated, it will change the position of four two-way directional control valve and allow the air to enter the clamp actuator and allow it to extend and clamp the workpiece.
Okay, before the drilling can commence, the guard must be lowered first. As the start or end normally open detent switch is pressed, the electro-pneumatic circuit 2 will be closed and relay K2 will be activated. Thus, we'll close all of the normally open switch K2, which then activate the solenoid M2. Okay, in the pneumatic circuit, when M2 is activated, it will change the position in the directional control valve and allowing the compressed air to enter the gauge at the guard actuator. Once the guard actuator is fully extended, it will activate the sensor E and will turn on the drill. The drill will not start until the guard actuator is fully extended because it is a requirement for us to make the drill to start after the guard is fully extended.
At the same time, the normally open of switch K2 will close at the electro-pneumatic circuit number 3 and it will activate the relay of K3. Once the relay of K3 activates, it will close the normally open of switch K3 at electro-pneumatic circuit number 6. Then, the solenoid of M4 will activate. It will change the position of four two-way directional control valve. After that, it will allow the air enter the double rod type cylinder. Thus, the double rod type cylinder will move and fit the workpiece to the drill.
After the drill workpiece have been done, the start and detent switch is pressed to break off all the circuit. When the switch K2 is not activated, it will open the normally closed switch K2 at electro-pneumatic circuit 5 and deactivate relay M2. Once relay M2 deactivate, sensor E will deactivate and the actuator guard will retract. Next, the drill will turn off and the sensor E will deactivate. The normally open switch K2 at electro-pneumatic circuit 3 will normally open and it will deactivate. Once relay K3 deactivate, the normally open switch K3 also will open and deactivate solenoid M4. Then the double rod cylinder will retract and directional control valve for two-way will change back to its normal position. In addition, the normally closed detent stop switch used as emergency stop button, which will stop all the press immediately.
Once everything is back to the normal condition, press the clamp or unclamp detent switch to deactivate the relay K1. Then the normally open switch K1 will open the electro-pneumatic circuit number 4 and deactivate the solenoid M1. Once the solenoid M1 deactivate, the clamp actuator will retract then unclamp the workpiece. That concludes our project assignment. Thank you.